Understanding the Domino Effect in Economics and Finance. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting concept known as the rates domino effect. This concept is not just a language lesson. It's a window into understanding how changes in financial rates can impact economies and markets globally. Let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of this fascinating topic together. The domino effect refers to a chain reaction where a change in one situation can cause a series of other related changes. Imagine lining up dominoes and tipping the first one over. As it falls, it knocks down the next domino, and this continues until all the dominoes have fallen. In economics and finance, this metaphor is used to describe how changes, especially in interest rates, can lead to a series of interconnected consequences. When we talk about the rates domino effect, we're specifically referring to how changes in interest rates can have widespread impacts. For example, if a central bank raises interest rates, it might initially seem like a small change. However, this can increase the cost of borrowing, leading to less spending and investment by businesses and consumers. This slowdown in economic activity can then affect employment, income levels, and even international trade and investment flows. Let's look at a real-world example to make this concept clearer. Imagine the central bank of a country decides to increase interest rates to combat inflation. Initially, this might slow down inflation, but the higher borrowing costs can lead to businesses cutting back on expansion plans, reducing job creation. As people have less money to spend, demand for goods and services decreases, potentially leading to an economic slowdown. This is a classic case of the rates domino effect in action. Understanding the rates domino effect is crucial for several reasons. For policymakers, it highlights the importance of careful decision-making, as changes in interest rates can have far-reaching consequences. For investors and businesses, it underscores the need to stay informed about economic indicators and central bank policies. And for learners of the English language, it's a great example of how language and real-world concepts intersect, offering a glimpse into the complexities of economics and finance. We hope this video has shed light on the rates domino effect and its significance in economics and finance. Remember, the world of finance is interconnected, and understanding these connections can provide valuable insights into global economic trends. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you in the future. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.